Hello, everyone, again, and good morning. Thank you for joining our webinar this morning. This is the second in our series, Enhancing Your ROI on the Atlassian toolset. And the topic today is integration. So enhancing your ROI through integration. So we're excited about this. A reminder, we will be recording this webinar and we'll email you a link to that recording over the next few days. The email will also include a link to register for our next webinar. Remember, as you have questions, be sure to type those into the GoToWebinar control panel, and we'll get those queued up and answered toward the end of the session. On the webinar today from Principio Consulting, we have Cindy Smith. Cindy is a senior consultant on our process delivery team, and we're excited to have her lead us this morning. And I'm Evan Perkins. I'm a sales consultant here at Principio Consulting, and I'll be serving this morning as your faithful moderator. Tune in on July 27th for the final ROI series webinar. In this webinar, Mike, a senior technical architect here with our technical delivery team, is going to answer all of the questions you have but are afraid to ask about monitoring your Atlassian instances. So the hope is that we would better set you up for optimal performance. You'll get a link to register for this webinar in the email you'll receive after today's webinar, which will also include the recording of today's presentation. You can also sign up in the webinar section of our website. Just look under resources. You can register there as well as catch up on our past webinars, including the first two in this Enhancing Your Atlassian ROI series in the webinar section on our website. A little bit about Principio Consulting. We've been Atlassian expert partners for over 6 years now and are one of 5 platinum enterprise experts in the country. Over 99% of our projects are Atlassian related, and we've helped hundreds of clients across the globe, ranging in size from 20-person companies to Fortune 20 enterprises spanning many different industries. We help our clients with process-centric technology solutions that facilitate traditional business process management, IT service management based on IDLE, and software development lifecycles. In the SDLC space, we're helping clients transition from traditional waterfall to the Agile methodology. So whatever widgets you produce, we help improve the quality and throughput at the lowest cost. We support our clients in all facets of the Atlassian product suite and build methodologies and solutions across the entire product line. Solutions architecting and implementations, licensing, upgrades and maintenance, managed hosting, managed services, integrations, add-on development, and training. And with that, I'm excited to hand things over to Cindy.
Thanks, Evan. Again, my name is Cindy Smith, and I'm a senior consultant on the process delivery team here at Principio Consulting. Today we will be covering the definition of ROI and how you can increase your ROI by using integration. We will talk about using a knowledge base within Confluence and linking it to Jira Service Desk to empower self-service, using Capture for Jira, implementing Jira Service Desk for other teams, using Google Analytics with the Atlassian suite. I am then going to hand it over to Darryl Duke from Brikit. He will be covering integrations using Brikit. And lastly, we will answer any questions you may have. The Atlassian product suite is extremely powerful, and the marketplace of add-ons allows for endless possibilities. Once adopted, the suite plus add-ons can change the way the entire organization works together. Tracking, communication, coordination, and collaboration that may have seemed impossible for your organization becomes relatively simple. What is ROI? Simply put, it is a profitability ratio. It is the amount of return on an investment relative to the cost of that investment. The first question you should want to answer is how. How can we know that our integrations are providing value? How can we achieve brand awareness, leads, efficiencies, and revenue by spending money on integration with the Atlassian suite? There are so many costs: producing content, testing, implementation, the tools themselves. Let's dive in and I will show you a few of my favorite integrations, and we will review how the savings can add up at the end. Self-service. How can we empower people to answer their own questions? This is Leonard. Leonard is a longtime user of Jira and JSD. However, he is seemingly losing more and more time to basic issues. He is now receiving 100 tickets a day, with over half